In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask Google Gemini Windows app using a photo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload an image, use the helpful prompts Gemini suggests, and get a clear, visual-based answer with minimal effort. First, look for the plus sign inside the Gemini Windows app, typically next to the message box where you'd normally type your prompt. Click that plus sign to upload a photo from your computer. A file picker will open, so navigate to the image you want to use and select it. Choose a clear, well-lit photo that highlights the subject you care about, and avoid including anything sensitive or personal in the frame. Larger images or very high-resolution files can take a moment to attach, so give it a second if you see a brief spinner after you pick the file. Once your image is attached, keep an eye on the interface near the input area. Gemini will analyze the photo and start showing suggested prompts based on what it detects. These suggestions usually appear just below the text field and are designed to save you time by offering common follow-up questions or descriptions tied to your image. Waiting here is normal. If the suggestions don't pop up instantly, let the app finish processing. A stable internet connection helps, and the speed may vary depending on the size of your photo and what's in it. When the suggestions appear, scan through them and pick the one that best matches what you want to know. Click the suggested prompt to place it in the message box, then press Enter to submit it. Before you hit Enter, take a quick moment to confirm the wording captures your intent. Short, specific prompts usually lead to more focused answers. If the suggestion already says exactly what you need, just press Enter and send it as is. After you submit, expect a brief wait. This may take a while as Gemini interprets the image and generates a response tailored to your chosen prompt. You might see a loading indicator during this time. That's normal. Avoid closing the app or switching away right away, and let it finish. Processing speed can vary based on your system performance, network conditions, and the complexity of the photo. And that's all there is to it. Click the plus sign to upload your photo, wait for the suggested prompts, choose one and press Enter, then give Gemini a moment to respond. With this simple flow, you'll quickly turn images into useful answers inside the Gemini Windows app.